Okay, we had a request for the outer measurements of our XL Stinger hood. Apparently somebody has a mid-year that he thinks he has a aftermarket front end on the car because the hood he has on right now on the car isn't wide enough. The gaps seem too big. So before he considers purchasing one, he wants to know the answer to the width of ours. And so we're just trying to make this as simple to understand, and we'll share it with everybody so we don't have to keep doing it over and over. So we basically went from the front end of the hood and we marked a 3-inch spot we're going to measure across. We came back 28 inches, we're going to measure across. We came back 47 inches, we're going to measure across. And he also wants to know the length of our Stinger, because our Stinger XL is longer, not just higher. So, first measurement we're going to take is at the back of the hood. From the front back 47 inches with 2 little squares up there. It's pretty simple. Put it across here. (42¼ inches). 42¼ inches. Now we're going to move our square You have to make sure your square is square to the hood as well. We have this sitting on a piece of cardboard, but our little measuring device is messing with us right there. So we pick that one up, and we're going to measure across. Grab that, would you? Put it right to that square for me. I'm going to put you to work. We there? Mm-hmm. 42 inches. Now move it up to where it's 3 inches across. You won't need the stick, I don't think, because it sits square without the stick, just the imperfection of the table. 42 inches. Okay, so we're 42, 42, 42¼ and that's natural because it has that spin to it. Hold that tape right there for me, would you? And so the length of our Stinger's 33 inches long. How long is yours? So hopefully that answers the questions you're looking for. And what you need, I know we've done measurements in the past of the height of this hood. So that's out there already in our YouTube pages. So, thanks for watching.